Hey guys, it's Miguel, back again from Sephora, Hollywood and Highland. And if you're interested in learning a morning skincare routine for combination to oily skin, keep watching. I'm going to show you my favorite products. Let's get started. First product I'm going to use is the SK2 Facial Cleansing Treatment. It's an ultra hydrating facial cleanser that gently cleanses and conditions skin, leaving it fresh and smooth. It's great for pores and uneven skin texture. I like using a pea-size amount on the palm of my hand, making sure my skin is nice and moist. I'm going to be using my fingertips and really working this cleanser into the skin, working it into my face and also into my neck. Now I'm just going to grab a towel and rinse off. Now that my skin is feeling nice and fresh and smooth, next product up, Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. This potent age delay essence powered by kombucha protects your skin with antioxidants and enhances luminosity. So a few drops in the palm of my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and press it into my skin, being extremely gentle and making sure it absorbs quickly. I also apply this to my neck as well. It always leaves my skin feeling very soft and also helps with any fine lines. All right, Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. It's a highly concentrated, natural, oil-free serum that's going to help boost hydration. It's 62 times more effective than vitamin C. I love it underneath makeup. I'm going to be using a pea-sized amount on the palm of my hand and really working it into my skin, especially where you may have a little bit of texture, uneven skin, and really working it all the way into my neck. You notice that I'm always blending upward to make sure I get a nice lifted effect. Next product up, Volition Beauty Helix AM/PM Eye Gel. It's fast absorbing, it's cooling, and it serves as a perfect primer for your concealer. No creasing. Grabbing a pea-sized amount and really working it into my skin, being extremely gentle, knowing that the under eyes are a little bit more delicate. I also love the consistency of it. It's a gel, so it works perfect underneath makeup. Next product up, Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Totally invisible, weightless, scentless, and makeup gripping. Daily SPF 40. This is just enough hydration for me because I am a little bit oily to combination. So it has metal foam seed oil that increases skin's hydration. You'll notice that a lot of my products prior are super hydrating, so I like to keep my last step somewhat lightweight. Next, I'm going to be grabbing Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Protective Primer. Grabbing a pea-sized amount and really working it into those areas where you may be a little bit uneven as far as texture goes or even a little bit drier. It really locks in everything that I just put on my skin. I have oily to combination skin, so I really have to be strategic in the areas where I put luminosity. Now I'm all ready for makeup application. My skin is feeling really nice and smooth and plump, and I can't wait to put my makeup on. All right, guys, that's it. Let me know what you guys liked. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.